Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we are looking at writing an article for the English language GCSE. Now this appears in language paper 2 for AQA, Edexcel, Educas and OCR. So the question itself is a 40 marker, so you'll be required to answer this question. You will get a mark for AO5 out of 24, and for AO6 you'll get a mark out of 16. Now, there are certain things you need to include when writing an article, and these include the following. So starting off with number 1, you must include a clear, appropriate original title, and this should grab the reader's attention. So it should be short and snappy, and it should preferably be alliterative or even using a pun. Number 2 is to use a strapline. So a strapline is again 2 to 3 sentences that will summarize the article. Number 3 is to have effectively fluently sequenced paragraphs. So the paragraphs you write, they must flow from one paragraph to another. They must be linked together. And how do you do that? If you have a plan, you are able to make sure each paragraph flows from one paragraph to another. Not only that, number 4, you must include subheadings. So subheadings again will give the readers an insight of what the paragraphs will be about. And of course, for number 5, you need to have an introductory paragraph where you state your viewpoint and the examiner is able to understand what your viewpoint is. Now, how would you structure this when attempting the exam question? It may look something like this, just to show you all. So the first thing you'll have right at the top is your title. Following the title, you will have a strapline. So as mentioned, that would be 2 to 3 sentences summarizing the article. So that would come directly beneath the title. So as you can see, the title followed by the strapline. And then after that, you'll have the introductory paragraph. So this is your introduction where you start explaining briefly your viewpoint and your thoughts on the statement. And then after that, you will have the next paragraph. And remember, when you move on to the next paragraph, you must have a subheading as highlighted here. The subheading must summarize the next section. So again, it's probably going to be 3 to 4 words that will give the readers an insight of what this paragraph will be about. So this is the structure you will follow when writing an article, and so on. So once you move on to the next paragraph, same thing, you would have a subheading to summarize the next section as well. So remember, this question is a possibility for language paper 2. So have a go at that for your revision, as it is highly beneficial, and if done correctly, can allow you to achieve the higher marks. And that takes us towards the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like and share for more education related videos. Thank you.